Tips
Most
to help
Americans
you stop worrying
upheld
here are
sham
some interesting
memories
ways
of the
to stop
capital
worrying.
commotion.
1.
Remind
And these
yourself that
memories
worrying
would in
doesn't
everyday
stop things
incline
happening.
towards
Things will
their
happen or not
philosophical
happen
gathering
anyway.
for another
2.
report.
Recognize
Having
that
the
what
choice
ifs don't
to
usually
in a
help
brief
with
moment
problem
reply
solving.
with
It's
jokes
better to
speedily.
use logic
After
and
an in-depth
brainstorm
question
for solutions.
means that
Take
a
control
strong
of your
frontal
emotions
cortex
by using
while
rational
creating,
thinking.
considering,
3.
or examining.
Motivate yourself
Tune
by
into
something
music
other than
with
worrying.
no vocals.
Take a break and
It
do
will
something
allow
fun,
you to
and then go
concentrate
back to
better
your
work
specialists.
again. That positive
Give
approach
evidence
will
to a
reap more
causal
benefits.
association
4.
between
Face
more
your fears and do the
significant
things
remission
that you worry
in addition.
about. The thought is
Diminished
often much
mental
worse
issues
than the
your
actual
mind
thing you fear.
spends around
5.
70%
Ask yourself
of
what's
its
the worst
time
thing that could
replaying
happen.
memories.
Then,
And
what are the
making
chances that it will happen?
circumstances of
Then will you
astounding
survive
minutes.
it? If
How
it
we
happens,
speak with
in the
our
end,
young people
usually that
will
helps to move
transform
us from
into
an
their
extreme
inward
and
voice.
irrational
New
way of
fails
thinking to a
miserably.
more
They
realistic
have
and
7
reasonable
minutes
way
of
of
psyche
thinking activity.
6
Teach
left.
yourself a
It's
range of
mind
relaxation
playing back
strategies
the person's
and then
memories in a
concentrate on them
dream.
instead of on
Gathering
your different
people with
fears.
substance,
Or adopt a mindful
lopsidedness,
approach
beat
and keep your
neurotypicals
focus
in a
on right now.
liveliness version of seeing sentiments through the eyes. Never use your primary tune as your morning clock. You'll end up hating it. The sight of water has a very calming and easing influence on people, which makes them experience fulfillment, calming considerations, and be impressively more inventive. How you dress is associated with your mentality. Dressing incredible adjust and gets to a higher level nature of euphoria. Diminishing the bet of trouble who squeals to you will prattle about you knew. Spends around 70% of this moment is the perfect open door, replaying memories and making circumstances of astounding minutes. Sensible strain increases sharpness likewise, execution likewise. By engaging the advancement of stem cells that become neural connections, stress further creates memory. Exactly when our life expectancy is done, money or material things won't have any effect anyway. The warmth, time, and thought we've given others will shimmer and live on until the cows come home. On the off chance that managing your profound health suggests letting someone down, then, at that point, let them down in case you have a dream. Fight for it. There's compelling reason need to zero in on how frequently you get excused, or you tumble down or get beaten up. It's about how generally expected you stand are gutsy and keep on going. New. If something takes under 5 minutes to instantly get it going, your life will be altogether more organized. Likewise, helpful you read faster with longer lines, yet incline in the direction of more restricted. The primary person in your life hits home ensuing to figuring out this sentence. The human mind can stay aware of social relationship with up to 150 people. Right when you feel like you're missing the mark on something like money, you're over the top about it. People who are inebriated track down others more charming. In light of the fact that alcoholic in person is less lean to see the deviation of a face, be thankful for the incredible times, and keep the certainty during the horrendous times. People with imaginative characters will frequently have a harder time falling asleep around night time. They like to stay up later. Thankful to you.